Person, how did you do that?
So as you can see, it's working. So my next... Hey guys, this is Gil Silvergara back again with another video. Today I'm doing my side hustle. I hope you like the shorts that I made. Today I was like, this car that I purchased does not have, it's super basic, no Bluetooth. It does have an auxiliary cord. How do you integrate the car into using potentially an iPad, a phone, into your system when the system doesn't have Bluetooth or anything like that? So I might have found a solution in this video. So if you guys have a car like mine, I bought a secondhand used Dodge Journey, very basic, just for the courier business. If you guys want to know how I started, how much I put into it to start this business, please let me know, and I'll make a video about it. Just comment down below. If I have enough comments, I'll be more than happy to make a video about it. Today, how do I integrate Bluetooth and or just having that wireless, like pretty much getting the car somewhat up to date, because this is an older car, 2016. So I went ahead and bought a few things from Walmart. One of my favorite stores, go-to. So this is the Motormouth 3 stereo, hands-free car kit. And just, I'm gonna put comparable items down below. Maybe you guys like it, pick it up. So my main purpose of purchasing this was to play music through the speakers here, because the car does not have a Bluetooth system here. And I did not want to go purchase a head unit because I just don't want to. This is a work vehicle and I don't want to really spend that much money on that. It has echo cancellation, which is amazing if you do make calls. And I said the mount, so I make it more professional looking, put it in the dash and stuff like that. And I just want to see if it actually works. Now, this is a USB-C output, you know, plug in. This car doesn't. So I went ahead and purchased a car charger with a USB input. So if you guys are going to purchase this, make sure your car has one, an auxiliary, and two, a USB-C input. If it doesn't have that, you might as well buy this right here. So I'm going to install it. I'm going to take a quick video of it and I'll let you know. This is going to be a super quick video on this particular purchase and this particular tutorial, you know, just review. And hopefully this video gives you some type of value as to if you're having this issue with your car that doesn't have a factory Bluetooth setup. So let's do an unboxing right here. I'm just in a parking lot. So what does it come with? Let's see. This is going to come with a sticker of some sort for the mounting kit. This is your mounting kit right here with the auxiliary setup right here. Pretty cool. Might be able to use that actually. This is the USB-C setup right here to charge the units, and the actual unit itself. This is the actual unit itself. There's a power on button right there. Actually, because there's a battery in here, it does turn on right there, and this is probably just trying to read it and stuff like that. Yeah, and this is probably the microphone right here. This unit goes on top of here to provide the mount that you can mount, you know, for a clean setup. I would have to make it super clean because the auxiliary cable, auxiliary input is in underneath the center console. So I don't know if that's going to be a clean setup. Not for me though. Let's try it out. So okay guys, so let's check if actually it actually registers. So we're gonna turn it on right now, and let me see where Bluetooth is. And as you can see, I have a lot on there. So let's turn it on and see if it actually registers, right? Let's just wait for a bit here. Okay, B tax S2, I believe that's it. I can attest to you, I don't have another camera on here. I wish I did. I might do another video when I get home. Hey everyone, so I got home and I wanted to do the final video on how this FM transmitter works, the Bluetooth transmitter, because I only have one phone. So I'm gonna start the car. So I'm going to play something I was playing before. Let's do NC. Let's do some music here. NCS music. So as you can see, it's on the auxiliary right here. The unit is down here. Right, that's its charger right there. That's the unit right there. I don't know if you can see that right there. That's supposed to be a microphone, but I'm not going to really use it for that.
I feel like food brings everybody together.
Okay, let's connect this thing. Bluetooth. And connect it. That's right there. So I guess that's the only issue here that you would have to press it all the time. There it is. Okay, boom. It's connected right there, as you can see. Right there. And then we just play some music. And it's coming through the speakers.
You are a smart person. How did you do that?
So as you can see, it's working. So my next step is to try to save some money. I'm gonna put my iPad right in the middle here. I'm gonna get some 3M tape, put it here, and custom make it look like a wannabe Tesla. So I'm only gonna do that because I do need the certain features off of it, and when I do get a little bit of money, I'm gonna probably put a system in here just to mess around with stuff, because my wife knows I can't leave anything regular.
Huh?
You know I can't leave anything regular.
Yeah, you always do extra and spending more money.
I don't spend money. I don't think.
That's what happens if your husband is very artistic.
I don't spend money unless I'm into it, and that's why I spend a lot of money on my wife.
Yeah.
The unit does work perfectly. Very, very good. I set it up. I pretty much put it together. Super simple. I highly suggest it if you do not have a more modern vehicle like myself at this particular moment. Very quick setup, recognizes it. I like it, and then I believe it was a good buy. I just don't know how to set it up and put it in around here, because it does need to get charged, right? Which is gonna be right here. So it has to be in a situation where I gotta clean up all these wires, and it's gonna look funny, it's gonna look weird. So more than likely, I'm just gonna tuck it away inside here, because I'm not gonna really use it for a phone and things like that. But yeah, I'm gonna put the links down below for products just like this and this as well, and how you can get one and you can set yourself up and things like that. I'm gonna go take a video later as to when it's working. Once again, this is Gilson Vergara back with Doing My Life. I will be doing more videos. I'm gonna have more time in my hands. Hope you like that video. Comment on below what type of videos you want me to make. More than likely, I'll do some business reviews. I'll do some reviews, regular reviews, some business stuff. And I think I might have enough time to actually go to visit businesses and interview people and do more fun things that I really want to do. I don't know about more expat stuff, because I don't know how much more expat stuff I can help. But you know, if I can help with you or whatever it is expat wise, let me know. But yeah, comment on below. If anything, if you like the channel, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.